Kublai pi baro ngi pediang so bhai pi shakatup kubor mataka janmit shwaban pash ki kubor ki babanya nginya pet chwai ki mat bakong san lam khmat umintri rang badu kari Narendra Modi yakari hakaban wanra ikakuat ka suba hashwa ka Gandhi Jayanti Lapin long yaka chief ministerial level meeting hakana para Guwahati banyakren halor kajingya kajia khaput Rakhe ka 67 Battalion jong ka CRPF ya ka raising ka basaw-pusaw ka jong ka matakas ni. Bad Rakhe ka St. Xavier's College Ungod ya ka college day arajar arpulay. Kikubor ki babanya. Umintri rang badu kari Narendra Modi mentakas ngi ula lam khmat ya kari haka swachta hi seva abhiyan dakabayas nokti ban wanra ikakhuat ka suba Modi ulayas nokti ringkat haka ni gajing pen khuat snong bat unong pen priang khubor shapang ka kot ka khia ankit bayan puria bat pen khuat ya ki nyut bat ki jabo Modi ulaya merjingmut badu ankit hakaba banjur halor ki jing don kam ban yo ya kamet ka bakot bakhia Modi ula pelat ru ya ka video halor ka jing ya kren ga jong badu ankit haka social media haka por bakidang pen khut snong komshi benta jong ka 1 tarik 1 ghanta 1 sat ka balong ka jing sedang ban wan rai ka khut ka suba ki pat nong shong snong kari mendagas ngi kilai shim menta lang haka ni ga jing pen khut snong Haga chief ministerial level meeting kabelapan long hanin kesngi hakana para Guwahati banyak kren halor kajingya kajia kaput larai ban pinsange yaki judicial inquiry commission halor kajingjia hamukro bad haga jaka jong kane lakwa yaki CBI ban penlong yaki jing tokit hakaway pat kajilla baya menjurlang Habia kren berkilat patai kubor hadian balawai ke jingalang Menteri dang ba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ula penmena ya karai pensange no yaki commission Hakaway pat kaliang larai ban weng no yaki pulit nagi jaka khaput bami jingya kajia bat pen kamti haki CRPF ban pahara haki jaka khaput larai ru hagari ka jingalang ban thung yaki paya khaput hakathan hahim katba ka jing thung yaki paya haki way pat gisantali ki jaka onsdang nadu ka life way tarik uno pra
People of both Assam and Meghalaya that after a very long drawn exercise we are now on the verge of also finalizing the actual pillars and the post and the actual boundary lines in the first 6 areas of differences which we have signed the MOU in the presence of Honorable Home Minister, Government of India.
We are happy to inform you that finally Survey of India has completed their survey in Hahim. Now border pillar will be erected and both the state government has accepted the position. Today Survey of India officials were there. We have requested other 5 areas like Dijang, Tarabari, Ratachera. We asked them to quickly complete the survey before 31st December.
Ka 67 Battalion jong ka Central Reserve Police Force kalarake ya ka jingdap sau-pusaw snem braseng ya ka mentakas ngi. Hagadi ka sngi la penlong ya ka yaw ya dia ya thiet haka pelau jong ka headquarter ha Polo Shillong haka bala play daw IGCRPF Anurag Agarwal. Haba pentip syapang ka jingseng ya ka ni ka kinhun commandant ka battalion Alok Bhattacharjee ulaong ba ya ka 67 Battalion laseng ha Rajasthan ha usnem shi hajar khandai spa prapo banado ka ni ka por hadu menta ka ni ka kinhun kala don benta ha ka ba ai jing shakri ya kari haki benta ba pher jongka
This is a very happy occasion for us. This unit was raised in the year 1980 in Rajasthan. And over the past 44 years, we've been serving various parts of the country. The battalion is one of the oldest in CRPF, and we've served in very challenging situations across territories. In course of 44 years, we have not only raised our performance, we have served the country. We feel extremely proud that we've been at the service of the nation.
Ka Saint Xavier's College Oj, Southwest Khasi Hills District hinin kesngi kelarake ya ka college de arjar arpulai. Uba Vincent H. Pala udkhot jangka Parliament Shillong Constituency ulalong ukong san hagani kesngi bat ka Deborah Marak Menteri Rangba Barim Gejela Meghalaya kum kesembut kongsan. Haba ai jingkren kum kongsan uba pala ula yaro yaki bor penya jong kani ka jaka pule halor ka jing shakri jongki hakaba ai jingnang jingtip shaki samla pule hakani ka dong kathan bat kintu ru yaki samla pule ban trai shitom bat ban leb ha haka jing pule jongki.
Kini ki college niyo ro ke jing kai yak banikai ke jing in pe jongi hakono kong ni ban in niyo ke jing kai nan ta ka culture kariti ke dustur ke jongi tilong ki badan bok kum ki kini ki pa tilong ki badan bok kum ki kena bopule hakani ka college namar bale ba ong pinta namar ba ki ba ai pi ke jing kai ki ba penyai kamtang ni design seria kedai tu pet hajan laman institutions ki college ba penyai ki design seria barbor kilong ki college ke ba bit
Kumshi Binta jangka World Literacy Day rengkat kapang pedeng mentau snem promoting literacy for a world in transition, building the foundation for sustainable and peaceful societies. Ka office jang u block mission coordinator SSA SEMAM That Lasken West Giant Hills kalarake yakadi kasngi hinan kasngi rengkat ka enrollment drive program Halayan Mission Compound Dorbar Hall. Hakade ka program la Shimbenta de kong APCM District School Education Officer kum ka kong san hakajing don lang jong i Dr. DG Lingdo Principal Thomas Jones Senate College kum simbut kong san. Haba ajing kren hakane ka lang ikong APCM ila banjur halor ka jing kong san jong ka pule puthi hakade ka juk baminta bat kintu yaki samla pule bakim day ban yaki jing pule tang shiteng por. Hapo ka Swachhta Hi Seva Campaign ka Shillong Cantonment Board kala penlong ya gajing penkhut hakeleng ki jaka ki bahap hapo ki benta jong ka cantonment kum ki school ki hospital ki yo ki jaka shongkai bat ki jaka sa brio hakani ka campaign baro ki benta jong ka civil society kilai shimbenta bat u MLA ka BJP uba sanbor shulairu ulai don lang Hanong po kumshi benta jong ka Swachhta Hi Seva Campaign ka State Bank of India nong po branch hakajing etray lang bat ki way pat ki bank haribhoy kila penlong ya kajing penkhut bat ka program pensngaw tho ya ki brio halor kajing kongsan ban penne pensa ya ka khut ka suba.
This week we have create awareness to the people how to have a civic sense that we to strengthen the civic sense of the people. To enlighten the people that they should always keep their locality, their drains, their lane, bylanes, footpath clean. So we have requested also the owner of the godown, the owner of the shop owners, and that they should maintain cleanliness, and henceforth they should keep dustbin where the customers they will throw straight to the dustbin.
Mentapat nganyapet ya gajinglong jingman kasun meneng ha Shillong. Ka jing shit kalong 40.9 Celsius, bat ka jing kriat kalong kat pra degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka haw kalong kandai pulai na kashi spa min step, bat nyaw pupra na kashi spa jan mid. Kalaban don ka jing hap slap bamalu mala habun ki jaka. Shwaban poy siya kabakot jong katup kubor nganyapet biang sashi siya kimat bakong san. Lamkmat Menteri Rangba Kari Narendra Modi yakari hakaban wanra yakakuat ka suba haswa ka Gandhi Jayanti. Lapinlong yaka Chief Ministerial Level Meeting hakana para Guwahati banyak kren halor kajiya kajia kaput. Rakhe ka 67 Battalion jong ka CRPF yaka raising ka basaw-kusaw ka jong ka mantakasngi. Badrakhe ka Saint Xavier's College Oj, yaka college de arhajar aflai. Te parlok da kitu ki kubor ngila poy siya kabakot jong katup kubor jungi mentaga janmit, hadu bangide siyambiang bat pila siya kasngi kublay pi baro.
Invest in the share market, earn lakhs with guaranteed returns. This limited period offer is just for you.
Snakes have cameras in their eyes.
How can you believe this nonsense?
Aren't you doing the same thing, Dad? Nobody can